Welcome back, everybody. It's Big Al. I've got number 5 from Jeffrey Post, and I already got it locked up in the vise here. I got to say something, man. Jeffrey Post, your locks, I've done several of them now. I think, I don't know, this is maybe the, let's say, third or fourth one I've done. You're making some killer challenge locks, bud. Seriously, because I tried this one a little bit ago just to see if I could do it, and it's a beast, man. And it's on a, I'm guessing, a 5-pinner. It's a quick set, and there's the bitting on the key. And I'll tell you what, man, this thing's a beast. I don't know what's in it yet. I haven't. I just, like I said, I just picked it to see if I could, and my God, man, well done, buddy. Well done. So let's see if we can't do it for the camera, which we all know that's a different story. Oh, guess I could show it works. There's the, I showed the key. Does work like a charm. So let's see if we can't do it for the camera. And y'all, that we kicked off that Stock Lock Sunday, and I'll tell you what, man, it was accepted really freaking good, and I'm digging it. So right on, everybody, for or helping kick off Stock Lock Sunday. I just think it's a wonderful idea. So we'll see. I don't see why it wouldn't keep on going. All right, let's see here. Got a binder right off the bat. I want to say it's 3, 2, a little click off of 2. Using this short Sparrows hook, by the way. Really short one. As a matter of fact, I may go ahead and swap that out for the Peterson gem. That 5 is, well, it was. It's really crunchy back there. Let's see. I lost it now. Alright, we got a little bit of a false set. But I'll tell you what, man, this thing had me running in circles a minute ago. Five or 4 maybe. It's a beast. I don't know if it's got like T-pins or what, but okay, there's that false setback. Got a slight turn on the core. Whoa. Two fills set. I don't know about 3. It's giving me counter, but I guess we'll try it. Alright, we got a little bit more. Let's see, 1, 2 is way up there. 3, 4, I think 4. Let's see, 5. Okay, we got way at the bottom back there. Okay, got that false setback again. Two. Oof. Back into that excuse me, back into that false set once again. This is what it did, man. I'm telling you, it's a beast. Well done. That's something funky. I just don't know where it is. Maybe there. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Awesome, awesome. Man, well done, Jeffrey. Well done, buddy. Okay, so we're open. Let me get backed off a little bit here, or a lot of bit there. Get it out of the vise. Bada boom, bada bang. Yeah, so the first day of the Stock Lock Sunday Worked out really freaking good, man. I'm stoked about it. Everybody's going at it, so it's freaking badass. Alright, white pinning tray this time from Bobby Keys. Thanks again, Bobby. Badass. Badass. Let's see, where we at? Good right there. Alright, so we're way open. If I can get it to turn. Way open. We'll lock it back up since we got a key. And I did get one of these quick set tools recently, so we'll see if that works on this dude here. Yep, that was worth it. Alright, get that off the back of there. Got a key in here, and since it was so funky and it is a challenge lock, I'm going to go ahead and see if we can't get a shimmy shim in there. Oh yeah, yep, that was probably a good idea. Alrighty, see what we got here. Pin should be on my side. Yep. One looks a little odd already. Let's see what we got. They all needed picking. Oops, that one goes over here. It'll turn around for me. And 5. Alright. I think that went. That's a quick set, so well, it looks like it can go both ways, which is probably good. That goes like that. And this one goes like that. So we're good. Should be. Alright. Excuse me. Golly. Had to change the my vape juice recently because the vape store I was using stopped selling the juice I was using. Alright. Good for the camera? Yeah, we're good. Got a standard one. I'll be dipped in buttermilk. Nice little spring. And we've got a wicked pin in 2. Wonder if that's 2 of them. Nope. It's 1 pin. I thought it was a 2-piece for a second there. Another little spring. 3 is a standard. Well played, sir. Well played. I made a few more this weekend, challenge locks. I usually do on the weekend. Nice, another nice serrated right there. Well made too. They look really good. That was 4, so 5 is a 2-piece. Nope. Put it how it came out. It almost looks upside down, but that's how it came out. So that's how I'm going to put it there. Because you never know how people want their lock. Let me some eyeballs on here. Okay, so we didn't look at the core. I'm seeing, oh yeah, threading in 1, 3, and 5. And again, the metal they use on quick sets is pretty shoddy, so but they did hold up pretty good still. The threads. Let's see if we can get it on camera here. Yeah, we can see them. Yeah, that metal is not the best, but it works. Alright, and threading in 2, 4. I think that's it. Threading in 2 and 4 in the Bible. I don't know if we'll be able to see that down in there. Oh, you can see 2. But yeah, 2 and 4. Alrighty, bada boom, bada bang. Let's see where we at. Jeffrey Post number 5. I'll put Jeffrey Post on top. Alrighty, bada boom, bada bang. Bring the camera flat down so we can look at the pins. Flat. The light over top. And let's see what we got here. Alrighty, we've got a multi-serrated in key pin number 1, single serration on 2, double serrated in 3, standard in 4. This is like a, I'd call that a serrated spool. because it is spooled like. Yeah, I'd say serrated spool combobulation. And then drivers, standard in 1, double spooled in 2, call it double spool, standard in 3, multi-serrated in 4, and a single serrated in 5. See, this is the one I said could go either way. Well, I guess with that short keep in, that would work right. So it's probably in the right way. Yeah. And then the springs, let me see, steel. Looks like steel, copper, steel, copper. Awesome. Again, that was number 5 by Jeffrey Post, and it was sent to me by Jeffrey Post, so thank you so much, buddy. And I'm telling you, bud, your locks are getting better. I can tell. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks again for your participation in Stock Lock Sunday. Let's keep it going. Big Al, signing out.